Hello! Good afternoon! My love, do you want to say hello to my vlog?
Good afternoon.
My love, will you be mad at me if I cook lechon?
If you what?
Cook lechon.
Cook lechon? Do you know how to cook lechon? I'm
looking it up. I really want to cook lechon.
Okay.
It's gonna be messy now.
Oh, yeah. No.
Gusto ko ng lechon, guys. Happy Sunday pala. Nag-edit ako kasi wala akong video for tonight. Medyo sumasakit kasi yung ulo ko. So kapag sumasakit siya, hindi ako nag-edit, hindi ako nagfo-phone kasi mas lalong lumalala yung sakit. And as much as possible, ayoko uminom ng gamot. Kasi hindi naman siya as in sobrang sakit talaga. Para lang siyang nandun siya. Pero hindi siya like sobrang sakit. Dull pain siya. Dull pain! Anyway, nawala siya. So, nag-edit ako. And habang tinatransfer ko yung files para i-edit, naisip ko na naman na gusto ko mag-lechon. So, while nag-transfer yung mga files, nanood ako ng mga videos kung paano gawin yung lechon. And may mga videos naman marami na like oven lang yung gamit, hindi yung proper talaga ba kasi hindi naman sa hindi proper yung oven, pero alam mo yun, yung sugba talaga kasi hindi naman natin kaya yun, saan natin yung gagawin. But it's gonna be messy. Kasi si Don, nalinis na niya yung oven ng bongga. Gusto ko pero hindi ko din siya magagawa ngayon kasi I had pork yesterday. So next week na ulit tayo magpo-pork. Gusto ko mag-lechon. Gagawin ko to, bahala na. Tapos ako na lang siguro maglilinis ng oven. Ang daming bawal gawin sa bahay eh. Bawal magluto ng oily. Bawal magluto sa oven ng matagal na oily kasi alam mo yan, magsasplash yung oil, madudumihan yung oven. Ang daming bawal guys sa panahon ngayon. Kasi ngayon, konting splash lang ng oil, napapansin na ni Don. Hindi naman siya ganyan noon. Pero nung nagsimula na siyang maglinis sa kitchen, napapansin na niya. So kahit konting splash lang ng oil, napaka-oily naman ito, Raz. Hindi naman ganun ka-oily. Tapos nalilinis naman siya, basta hindi lang siya like ganun ka-over-oil. Over-oil. Pero yeah, hanggang ngayon gustong-gusto ko pa din mag-lechon. Manda sa akin yung lechon na yan. Gagawin ko talaga yan. Merong isang video na ang galing niya ginawa nila sa oven. Ano nga ulit yun? Hala, nawala. Inatay. Cebu lechon yung nila, binasihan nila. Cebu lechon belly. Lechon belly lang yung kaya naman natin gawin. Ito! Hungry Cat. Food and travel. Like, ang sarap niya tignan. And hindi siya nakakatulong itong mga pinapanood ko ngayon kasi gusto ko na mag-lechon. Kanina pa ako search lechon Adelaide. Mga close man, oy. So, wala na nagli-lechon ngayon, oy. Ay, naku guys. Pa sumasakit yung ulo ko. Wait, so, pahinga muna tayo. Hindi tumitingin sa laptop. Maligo lang ako siguro. Tapos baka after maligo mawala. Sana mawala. Alright. Ligo lang ako guys. Ang sakit pa din ng ulo ko. Uminom na ako ng gamot. Hoping na mawawala siya. Pero nandito pa din siya. Kasi wala tayong lechon. Magluluto ako ng sweet style spaghetti. Si Dan umalis lang. Bumili siya ng hotdog at saka mushroom. Lalagyan ko ng mushroom ang aming spaghetti today. Gutom na ako. Bumili siya ng ano din. May nakita daw siyang dough. So, bibili siya ng dough para makagawa ako ng garlic bread. Sinabi ko sa kanya na gusto ko yung garlic bread na ginawa ng mama niya. Yung thin crust. Gusto ko. Naalala niya na na-mention ko yun. So, nung nakikita siya ng dough, sabi niya, bilhin ko na yung dough. Tapos gawa tayo ng garlic bread. So, mag-prepare lang ako ng garlic para maluto na natin yung garlic bread agad-agad pagdating niya, diba? So, may dough na tayo. Kailangan natin ng garlic. Gagamit ako ng 4 na cloves ng garlic. And then, rosemary. Ano pa ba yung nilagay ng mama niya? Blingan ko yun eh. Rosemary, Italian herbs. garlic salt. Bumili kami ng garlic salt ni Dan. Na-vlog ko ba yun? Bumili kami ng garlic salt ni Dan. Hindi siya kagaya ng garlic salt na mama niya na malalaki yung grain. Maliliit yung akin. Yung parang papunta na siyang powder. Pero okay lang yan. Ay naku, ano nangyayari sa aking head? Sana umukay yung ulo ko para makapag-edit ako ng video. Lumalala kasi siya kapag nakatutok ko sa laptop or sa phone. Guys, ang tagal ni Dan dumating. Baka may kausap man naman yun. Lulutuin ko na lang yung sauce kung ano yung nandito. Ang lapit lang nung pinuntahan niya. Tapos, ang tagal-tagal niya. Usually, hindi ko talaga siya tinatawagan kapag may mga lakad siya. Pero kanina nainis ako. Sabi, alam niya, gutom na yung tao. Naiinis kasi gutom na pala. Tapos, tinatagalan. Ano lang ba binili niya? Tumawag siya kanina. Sabi niya, may dough. Sabi ko, sige. So, meaning, nandun na siya, bumibili na siya. Konti lang naman yung bibili niya. Anyway, darating na siya maya-maya lang. Tumawag kasi ako. Hindi ako nakatiis. Baka kasi, kung hindi tawagan, baka magtagal pa siya doon ng bongga. Lagay tayo ng oil. Tapos lagay natin yung onion at saka garlic. And then yung meat. Tapos maya-maya isusunod natin. Pagdating na Dan, susunod natin yung hotdog at saka yung mushroom. Si Danny boy ko talaga. Guys, Dan is home finally. After almost an hour of being away.
Bull crap.
Yes.
You're full of it.
Yes.
20 minutes.
No, 20.
20 minutes.
Wait, check the time when you called me and now. Where did you go?
Went for a drive.
He went for a drive.
To my girlfriend's house.
He went for a drive. Napunta na naman siya sa lupa.
Want to go see my girlfriend.
Has anything changed?
She's
The
fine.
block?
Oh, the block. Oh, I didn't go the block. Don't we do that? I'm Italian, babe. We know how to make dough.
Guys, nag-take over si Dan kasi...
Oh, yeah. Not even looking at the look, see?
Kasi sabi niya siya daw yung Italian. Whatever, babe. Good job. Thank you. Now, let's check the sauce. So, nilagay ko na yung hotdog. Wala tayong Filipino hotdog ngayon. So, yung gamit namin yung Frankfurt lang hotdog. Ayan. Isang mahabang hotdog yan. Konti lang. Pero okay lang kasi meron naman tayong mushroom. So, lagay na natin yung mushroom, guys. Okay. There you go. And then, hintayin lang natin na mag-iba yung kulay ng mushroom. Tapos, ilalagay natin yung sauce. Maya-maya lang. Guys, guess what? Guess what? Nakalimutan ni Dan yung rosemary. So, bumalik na naman siya sa shop. Sabi niya, mabilis lang ako this time. Nakakaloka! Anyway, ito na yung ating dough. Ayan. So, bumili siya ng, like, ano na, gawa na dough sa Foodland. And now we have that. Siya din nag-roll niyan. So, now, yung unang gagawin is lalagyan siya ng oil. Yung ginaya ko is yung sa mama niya, ha. Ililive ko yung video na yun sa taas. Easter weekend. Nagpunta kami dun. And gumawa siya nito. So, sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. Lalo na kasi it's thin, tapos crunchy pa. Hindi siya masyadong bet ni Dan kasi ayaw niya yung manipis. Di ba alam? Mas gusto niya makapal. Tapos maraming bread. Ako gusto ko yung thin, crunchy, and masarap talaga siya. Medyo napadami yung oil ko, pero okay lang yan. We will put our garlic. Ito, guys. Spread lang evenly. So, obviously, fresh garlic to, na minins ko lang. Sobrang sarap talaga nun. Sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. And then, dapat ngayon, ilagay na natin yung rosemary. Kaya lang wala pa tayong rosemary. So, lalagay ko yung Italian herbs. Ayan. Wait. And then, garlic salt. Masarap yung sa mama niya kasi malalaki yung grano. Alright. And then, rosemary. And then, ready na yan ilagay sa oven. Perfect. Kumustahin natin yung sauce natin. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Konti lang yung sauce compared sa amount ng beef. So, thick na siya tingnan agad-agad kahit nakakasalang ko pa lang sa kanya. So, hindi ko siya dadagdagan ng cheese. Yung cheese, ilalagay ko na lang mamaya kapag kakain na talaga. Kasi kapag nilagyan ko yun ng cheese, sobrang mas titik pa yan. Pero, yan yung itsura niya. Very, very low heat lang siya. Tapos, hinahalo-halo ko siya paminsan-minsan para hindi dumikit. Oops! Guys, Rosemary's here! Hubby's here! How long did it take you?
5 minutes.
It took him siguro mga 30 minutes. Usually, hindi yan naabot ng siguro mga 10 minutes lang. Pero, that looks
really good, babe.
Yeah. Actually, guys, nilagay ko na siya sa oven kanina kasi ang tagal ni Dan. Akala ko, iniinis niya lang ako ba na matagal siya. Hindi ko siya tinawagan. Bahala ka dyan. He had to go to 2 shops kasi wala siya sa Foodland. So, nagpunta siya sa ibang shop. But he got home with it. So, oh good. It's in the oven. Yung timer, nakaset na siya for 15 minutes. I think it was there for like 2 minutes tapos dumating si Dan.
Oh, you put it for 2 minutes before I got home?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, not that long.
Not that long.
Yeah. I was thinking that it's just rosemary, I can put it later. I thought you were just seriously joking around.
The next time I will. Cut.
Guys, dinagdagan ko lang ng beef stock yung sauce kasi medyo thick siya kanina. And now na hindi na siya ganun ka-thick, I'm ready to add this. Parang nasanay ako sa usual ko na recipe na like, kapag tinikman ko yung sauce, cheesy na siya agad. So, magdadagdag ako ng cheese or maglalagay ako ng cheese. And then, mamaya, pagkakain na, maglalagay na naman ulit para the more cheese, mas yummy. And then, our pasta is cooking as well. It's almost ready. Now, the garlic bread, nilagay ko siya for 15 minutes originally. Nag-rise na yung dough. So, medyo kumapal siya. Hindi siya thin crust. So, nag-add ako ng 5 more minutes. And gusto ko kasi na medyo brown-brown siya. Hindi pa siya ganun ka-brown. But I think it's already cooked. So, nag-add ako ng 3 more minutes but on grill. So, sa 15 minutes, it was 180 degrees Celsius. Hindi ko sure kung ano magiging resulta nito ha. Yun na yung ginawa ko. And then, sa rest na additional minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Yes. And then again, the last 3 minutes is on grill. So we'll see. Alright guys, I think it is ready. So, it looks like that. Oh my gosh, yes! Look at the garlic!
Looks good.
Yeah, brown garlic.
You gotta brush a bit of oil on it to just
okay.
make it less dry.
Just a little bit, yeah. Oh, do you wanna like cut it first and see? Because I added a lot of oil. It's not dry.
It's up to you.
There you go. Alright, people. Let's. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. I hope it's good. Oh no, I don't want to break this.
Grab scissors and just cut it with scissors. Let's have a look.
Have a look, my love. Good?
Look, yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Cut a small piece and taste it. How was the pasta?
Ooh. Wait, so let me just.
Don't we do the pasta? I'll do the pasta.
Just easy.
Pour it into here.
Okay.
Put it back in there.
Yep.
Okay, you can see.
Okay, let's taste.
Go for it.
I hope it's good. I want the really brown one. We can add more salt. No, it's fine. Or add more salt. Brush a little bit of oil. That's alright, that's got oil there. What more?
That's not oil there. Oh, good job, babe.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, just needs a bit of oil on mine.
Masarap. Mabubusog ako nito
No, good job, babe.
There you go. You don't maybe cook it a little bit less for you.
No, this is good.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. So kasi crunchy, gusto ni Danny yung medyo doughy. Kaya yung ano niya ilalim, medyo may pagka-brown ng konti lang. Hindi siya sunog, tamang-tama lang siya. So obserbahan niyo na lang kung gagawin niyo to, obserbahan niyo na lang yung ano niyo. Yung kulay. Masarap. Ayan, sweet style spaghetti with garlic bread. Kay Danny Boy yan. There you go, my love.
Thanks, babe.
Ito yung akin, guys. Kain tayo.
My beautiful wife is doing her Sunday editing. How you go, my love?
I need to listen to this. I don't understand what you said. Real quick.
Go for it. I'm listening.
Looks good, actually, babe. What? Once told me?
Blah, 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 blah.
I know something once told me.
Alright, go again.
Oh, that looks good, actually, babe. Once Wajbazan told me.
One more time.
So, okay, I'm just...
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm gonna let you listen real quick, okay?
Alright.
Wow, secret Italian recipe. Cheese on meatballs.
When in doubt, add more cheese.
When in doubt, add more cheese. And then you said something once told me.
Probably a wise person once told me.
A wise person. Let's listen again.
Because remember,
that's right. Oh, that looks good, actually, babe.
a wise woman once told me.
That was me.
No, because remember my mum said when in doubt, add more cheese on meatballs.
Okay.
That's
your mum.
That was mummy.
Oh, a wise woman.
Are you a wise woman?
I am. Look what Dan did. We're both working. Are you working? You were.
I was working. Now I'm watching Dave Ramsey on YouTube.
He was working, guys. He was trying to talk to me. Hindi ko siya marinig. So, gumawa siya ng parang classroom setup. Pag ganun-ganun siya sa akin eh. Ganun-ganun siya. Tapos, binigay niya to. Pag ganun pa sa gilid. Pag ganun sa gilid ba? Parang classmate. Parang buang. And then let's do... Okay. What does it say?
It says, where is a bathroom?
Meron pang heart, Daniel. Sabi ko, ganyan mo yung ginagawa mo. Noon, I went to the all-boys school. So, tawa na ako ng tawa. Tagal ko tuloy matapos ma-edit. Ano naman itong taong to? Pero wala lang. Pinapatawa niya ako habang nag-edit kami. Ako. It's now 5:18 ng gabi. I'm still editing. I hope it makes it. So what was that again? Okay, now that's...
A wise woman once told me.
Okay, yeah, I got it now. Thank you so much.
No worries. Bye, love.
Bye. Hello, peeps! Dan just got back from his exercise for today. Nakaligo na din siya. Gagawa natin siya ng protein shake. This is from Timmy. Ito yung kanilang wellness protein powder. And magugustuhan to ni Danny Boy because it is chocolate. This is vegan, 100% organic, dairy-free, soy-free, non-GMO, walang artificial color, walang artificial flavors, walang artificial sweeteners. And it looks like this, guys. Dang, 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 dang. Usually, iniinom mo siya like after ka mag-workout in the morning, but Dan does his exercise at night. So he goes for a run or walk at night for like for almost an hour.
So no one can see me run because I run funny. I do. Yeah.
Yung previous tumbler namin, tinapon na namin kasi ibang-iba na yung kulay niya kasi sa kakainom nila ng tea.
What do you mean? Ice cream?
No, the thing that goes here. This is very, very easy. You put 1 scoop of the protein powder. Oh, come on, my love, smell this.
Yeah, smells good.
Chocolate. This is chocolate. You do not have to add fruits, but we will add fruits. You can add whatever you want. You can do that and just milk. That's fine. But we will add fruit. So we have mixed berries.
Mixed berries.
Frozen mixed berries, and we will add milk.
Ice as well, babe.
And ice. This is gonna be a really good smoothie, guys. Very healthy as well. That's it, or do you want to add more milk? Let's start with that for now.
Start with that, yeah.
Alright. We will just ninja this real quick, people. So it looks like that. Mix lang natin para bumaba yung powder. Look at that color. This is a bit thick. Do you want me to add more milk? Ooh, look at that.
Yeah, more milk, my love.
It's thick. That's why.
More milk.
More? Let me know when.
I'll do.
But this is gonna be good because it's gonna be chocolatey and fruity. Ready? That's it.
Okay.
Alright. Our smoothie's ready. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. Looks good. Perfect. Sharing is caring.
Good job.
Thank you. Ooh, chocolate and
It's good.
berries.
Yeah, it's really good. Very good. Good choice. I like it.
Meron pala akong discount code. I-leave ko siya sa screen, guys. You can use my code kung gusto nyo lang naman. I-leave ko din siya sa description box. I-leave ko yung link ng Timmy sa description box. Meron din silang mga tea. Meron silang iba-iba. And now they have this. Approved?
Approved.
Alright, that's good. Manonood lang kami ng MasterChef, guys. And magtutulog na kami after. Yan na yung aming vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Mwah.